This is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk, with an extremely tidy all GRP Bounty 28. This is the exterior of this very, very tidy vessel. Very, very clean, all GRP topsides, possibly painted on the hull. I will let you know. If it is, it's been very well done in 2-pack. We'll check in the details. Front and rear canopies. Extremely tidy, pretty vessel. Very rare to find them in this condition. Solar panel on the roof. All very tidy indeed. If you'd like further information on this Bounty 28 Mark II full sliding roof, please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.